Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Wọlé ṣe ká máa ń wá gbogbo ẹ̀.
No, but all the same, no, of course.
Wọlé ṣe ká ló bá ti fẹ́ kọjá ó débẹ̀.
No, but mo gbára lé náà. Even Koye náà ló lè di ti Salana.
Ìkànnì ó ní mi ò dúró de àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi pé nínú wọn iṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọ̀gá mi ni wọ́n.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀. Sir, thank you. Thank you.
Ok, ó ní mi ò lò.
Adebanjo, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for bringing up Yinka and making him committed totally to the transformation of our country from a land of poverty to a land of prosperity. I first met Yinka in 1986. He had been dismissed as a bona fide student of the Obafemi Awolowo University. I think it was still University of Ife then. So this young lad rushed to Lagos and came to our office to ask for legal services. My boss, the late Alawa Kabashon, dispatched me to Ife to ensure that Yinka and 7 other students were restored into the campus. We did, and on the basis of an ex parte application, the court ordered that they be allowed to resume their studies. A very, very progressive individual whose commitment to the task of building a nation anchored on social justice and fair play, a nation of prosperity, a nation that therefore, for all the politicians gathered here today, our senators, the governors, and the former governors, and officials of the government, the best way, the best tribute you can pay to the is to go back and ensure that his dreams of a united nation, his dreams to go abroad to treat headache or earache, you know what I mean? Therefore, all of us must now insist, as Yinka insisted in his lifetime, that the provisions of chapter 2 of the Constitution be actualized so that our people can live a life of prosperity. Joe, I met both of you separately, and it was my greatest joy that both of you wanted to make a point in your belief in national integration by consuming your money. Because Yinka has gone to the other side. Joe, you must not allow people to.
But I was about to text them while I was there. I was about sending.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Before we start, I would like to make this quick announcement. Please, and please, we don't want anybody standing.
Oh, yeah, content to publish yourself.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.